Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for SurveyMonkey detailed guide step-by-step clear. Open your web browser and go to the SurveyMonkey website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Choose to sign up using your email address or a social media account. If using your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. If you prefer to register using a social media account, click on the relevant icon. Follow the prompts to authorize SurveyMonkey with your social media account. Once you've completed the form, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You may receive a verification email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and locate the verification email from SurveyMonkey. Click on the verification link provided in that email. After verification, you'll be redirected back to the SurveyMonkey website. Log in using the email address and password you just created. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to provide additional information about your profile. Fill out any requested details such as your name and organization. After completing your profile, you're ready to start creating surveys. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features and tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.